Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of Jersey Mike's mouthwatering subs and their awesome rewards program, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into how to use Jersey Mike's points in 2025 feet, because who doesn't love turning those hard-earned points into free sandwiches? Let's get started. First off, if you haven't already, make sure you're signed up for the Jersey Mike's Rewards app. It's super easy. Just download it from your app store, create an account with your email or phone number, and link it to your existing Jersey Mike's profile. In 2025, they've upgraded the app with some cool new features, like seamless integration with digital wallets for quicker transactions. Once you're in, the first step is to check your points balance. Open the app, log in, and head to the Rewards tab. You'll see a clear display of your total points, along with any recent earnings from your last visit. Remember, you earn points for every purchase, typically 1 point per dollar spent, but keep an eye out for special promotions that could double your rewards. Now, let's talk about redeeming those points. It's straightforward. Navigate to the Redeem section in the app. Here, you can choose from a variety of options, like a free sub for 200 points, a drink for 100 points, or even exclusive 2025 perks such as limited edition merchandise. Select your reward, confirm it, and when you're at the store, just scan the QR code in the app at checkout. Pro tip: use your points during happy hours or events for maximum value. Jersey Mike's often runs point boosting deals in 2025. One more thing. If you run into any issues, the app has a new AI chatbot feature for 2025 that can help troubleshoot in real time. And don't forget to opt into notifications so you never miss a points expiration date. Wrapping this up, using Jersey Mike's points is a game changer for saving money on your favorite meals. Give it a try on your next sub run and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. Stay hungry.